Okay. Do this right. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so maybe this time everything won't get completely fucked up with the recording. No hard feelings, AkariLT, just, you know, 3 hours footage, first attempt recording. Screw you guys.
Hello?
I love you.
Hello? Is someone there?
Okay, now actually focus on the game. You don't know why you want to find people. I mean, the last one you found tried to kill you. Just saying.
This could be a way through.
Or a way to imminent death. Well...
Damn it.
Oh no, the door's closed. Open it. I just got experience for, getting on a ladder. Thanks, game. I really feel accomplished. Nice drop. What? Okay. Pressed B and it made me go down farther.
What are these markings?
Don't actually remember, even though I've gone through this.
What am I doing?
Wading through water. It is very wet.
Oh god. This is insane.
Yeah, that didn't stop you, though, did it? Now let's just light things on fire in enclosed spaces.
Oh no.
Oh, now you're grossed out. As opposed to 10 seconds ago. There we go, now I have a weapon that I don't get to actually use. No, I'm going this way. Wait a minute, do I get experience for doing that? Because that would be stupid. Okay, no I don't. Hey, whoever's yelling in the background, can you shut up? It's picking up on the mic. You might think, oh, I can just turn my TV now. No, fuck that, I want to hear things. Turn off the light. Now, where do... Oh, ladder. I did that the first time too. I'm just kind of lopsided pointlessly. Oh, wait, she evened out. Don't know why.
Sam?
They'll need to follow the path. It's a bit
Why is she sneaking if she knows it's Sam?
Did you get that?
Got it.
We have a fire. Look for the smoke.
We're on our way.
Laura, you made it.
Sam. Thank goodness.
Surprise. It's okay. He's one of us.
Sorry if I startled you. This place would make anyone a little jumpy. We just spoke to your crew. They're on their way.
Look, he bandaged my foot.
Oh, it was the least I could do. My manners. I'm sorry, I'm Matthias.
And I don't trust you.
A teacher by trade.
Still don't trust you.
Not really cut out for island life, I'm afraid.
Lying bastard.
Sweetie, you look exhausted. Sit down.
Yeah.
Sam here was just telling me about the Sun Queen.
Right. Himiko.
Can you tell me more? I'm intrigued.
Well, believe it or not, a couple thousand years ago, Queen Himiko pretty much ran things in Japan.
She loves telling this story.
Himiko was beautiful, enigmatic, but also ruthless and powerful. Legend says she had shamanistic powers.
And this is where she loses me.
Well, there's always some truth to myths.
Didn't you
She
say that
commanded
like
an army of
not
samurai
too long
warriors,
ago?
her magnificent storm guard. They rode the very winds into battle, laying waste to all who opposed them. They say the sun rose at Himiko's command, and she ruled everything its rays touched, from the mountains to the sea and beyond.
But what happened to you?
What good friends they are, letting her fall asleep in the rain.
Sam? Matthias? Sam? Sam! Shit!
Bear trap.
No! Sam!
Why is that there? Oh, at least it's not spiked. Yeah, it should turn it down, but eh. I'll sync the audio. You guys won't be able to hear it in the mic at all. Alright, Wolves, where are you? I see you. Kinda. I mean, I don't, but still. Whoop! That's Wolf. Having subtitles on kind of cheats. Whoop! No, bad. Sit down. Okay, you just saw what happened to your buddies, right? Do you really think this is a smart idea? No! In the mouth. You'll take that arrow and you will eat it.
Over here! Reyes!
Let go.
Did that do anything? Thanks, muscly dude.
Good to see you, little bird.
Stop calling me little bird.
I'm so glad you're here. Is Sam with you?
She was with you.
She was here with that man, Matthias. But I passed out. When I woke up, they were both gone.
You can't shoot Nico one time off.
We need to find them.
Wait. What about Raw?
Okay, let's
Roth
split
is
up.
the last
One of
person
us
you have
go
to
with
worry
Laura
about.
and meet up with Roth. The rest of us should fan out and look for Sam.
I'll go with her.
No.
I gotta turn this down a little bit so it's not picking up the mic.
You know how to use one of these?
Everybody knows how to use a gun.
It's been a while. It's all coming back to me.
Get to Roth. We'll find Sam and this Matthias guy.
Wait, no, I don't want to be stuck with the dick.
You gonna be okay?
Yes, I probably just need to rest for a few minutes.
You sit here.
Thanks. It's not like I was already
I'll
doing
check
that.
up ahead.
Okay.
Fast forward, kinda, sorta.
Not too bad.
What's not so bad? Sitting on your butt?
How do I start? Okay.
This is Lara Croft, an archaeologist from the Endurance,
what?
shipwrecked on an island in the Dragon's Triangle, east of Japan. This place is incredible. I've seen wrecks here that could date back centuries. We weren't the first, and I know we're not alone. Something isn't right about this place. If I don't get off this island, maybe
Because
someone will
the
eventually
dead
find us.
people and everything wasn't clue enough that something's wrong with this place? Okay, so I need to sit at more campfires.
I can't believe we're actually on an expedition to find the homeland of my ancestors. I mean, ever since I told Lara the story of Himiko years ago, she's been hunting for its location. I never really gave it much thought. That any of this could actually be real history. My grandmother used to tell me the story like it was a memory. Many thousands of years ago, Queen Himiko ruled the land of Yamatai. The sun rose at Himiko's command, and she ruled everything its rays touched, from the mountains
You
to
just
the
said
sea
this.
and beyond. But one day, Yamatai simply disappeared without a trace. Forgotten in time.
Except that part. Kind of passed out at that part. Let's just get this real quick. So I don't have to come back. Oh, so now I can do that without putting out the torch, huh? Oh, can't open this, right? Nope. A stronger axe is needed to collect blah 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 blah. In a minute, getting salvage.
The sound of that.
No. Don't care. Ooh, secret tomb. Screw you, dude. I'll be there in a minute. I don't think I actually found this one. A little faster. Maybe a little faster. No. Oh, wonderful. Oh. Stop putting out my torch. I like my torch. Oh, what? Oh. Want me to shoot that? So that was literally just for tutorial. Yeah. Oh, more planes. Well, probably need fire. Yeah, I haven't actually been here. Well... Well, now I'm gonna burn down the entire place. Why did I think this was a good idea? Wait, what? Oh, I thought it was starting. That would have been nuts.
This might work as a ramp.
I guess so, except for the fact that it's on fire, but let's just ignore that. What the hell? Is it that on fire too? Everything with white cloth is flammable, as opposed to red, I guess. New equipment required. What? Am I gonna have to... I don't want to come back here, though. Sniffle. Okay, there's a box. That's... Hooray. Hooray to the box. Nope, nope, nope. I'm down. Oh, I can just go back up. Okay. Oh, hey. What's up? Other than you. You're not up anymore. What the bloody hell did that do for me? Yay, I made a mess. Oh, push, do that. Yeah, it totally gets lit on fire. I'm helping, right?
There's got to be a way to raise it up higher.
Well, if you want to raise it up higher, maybe stop destroying the things holding it up. Just, you know, thought. Probably more crap to burn. I don't know why I came over here. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, I can burn that. As long as I don't die from the fall. Where was that fire? What is this? That's not working. Why not? Is that little thing? What is... Oh. Okay. Go away. This seems like a smart idea. You know, last time I checked, I don't think that's how fire works, but, you know. Hey, you didn't cut me away.
One more should do it.
One more where? And why am I doing this? Oh, cool. I can just kind of skips through it by mash A. What completely arbitrary thing do I have to do now? Can I just light it on fire? Maybe not. Oh. Use one of these. There you go. So shouldn't that plane be like really hot now? Just startled surprise. Whoa, yeah, like
Now
this.
what?
We climb it. I guess.
That cloth looks flammable.
Nope. That didn't work. Well, good to know that there's flammable cloth though. Yeah. Now what cloth? Oh. No, it's not cloth, it's part of the plane. Oh, more of that. Oh. God damn. Fine. Sheesh. What? Apparently I can't jump with this? Like... Oh. Chuck it in there. There we go. I did it.
That did it.
Yes, it did. So I'm on top of a Japanese house. Oh, hey, it's one of these things. Ta-da! That was certainly harder than all the other challenge tombs I've been to. Quick, grab the one thing off screen that we never actually see. Of all the giant box of treasure, you take one thing. Oh. Well then. I like that you can do that. You can just kind of stop. Well, that fall could have been nasty. I don't... It's kind of annoying how it forces me to light the torch sometimes, and then I move like a snail. Yep, just zooming along here. You can't do what now? I was matching left and right trigger. Well, you can do that. Can I go? There we go. Don't mind me taking 5 years. I was just kind of exploring tombs because I'm the Tomb Raider. Whoa, fucking hell! Get off, get off, get off, get off, get off, get off, get off. Off. There's another one. Go away. I don't. Oh! Where? Stop being smart in the bushes. Oh, did I hit him? Nope, I didn't.
Should have warned me about the wolves, Doctor.
Man, I didn't get scavenge. That was really useful for having a lot of arrows. Where am I going? Well, I kind of know where I'm going. I'm going the right way, I know that much.
These are fascinating.
So you said.
I've seen these before. Oh. They must be ritualistic.
This female image is particularly interesting.
You gonna explain why, or are you just gonna...
Looks like it was made quite recently.
Yes, by those islanders, no doubt. Judging by the wrecks out there, they were once like us. Survivors. Remarkable.
Yes, well, let's hope we don't become murderers, too.
See if you can work the other one.
The handle's missing.
Together.
won't take the force. I'll have to find something sturdier to turn it with.
Must be something around here we can use. Incredible.
Let's see if I can fix this axe.
Yep. So how much do I need? Tell me how much I need. Oh. Well, there we go. Amaterasu. I liked Okami. Never finished it. Liked it. Yay! Super acts, kind of. Don't know how I made that, but whatever. We'll ignore it for video game's sake.
Alright, Laura. Shall we give it a go then?
Let's do this, Doctor.
Mash! Why is it limiting my mash speed? You're too slow, Doctor. Can't keep up with my speed. I like how he puts his hand on it like that's actually going to make a difference, and I should probably stop talking because they're going to talk.
It could be the Sun Queen.
Himiko, are you sure you're not channeling Sam, Dr. Whitman?
Well, there's no doubt. Himiko had power. Some say shamanistic, elemental.
A woman wields that much power, and sooner or later it gets called witchcraft.
We shouldn't discount anything, even what may seem to us irrational. We still have much to learn about the world.
You sound like my father.
It could be one hell of a story, Laura.
Not if we don't live to tell it.
There are two hell of torches here.
Incredible. It is Himiko.
They never burn out. Like,
But look, the bowl, the candles. Why is she still being worshipped?
This island, it must have once been part of Yamatai. You were right, Laura.
The Lost Kingdom.
It's like finding Atlantis.
But this is real, Dr. Whitman. We're not standing on a myth.
We're standing on a gold mine.
we're standing in a trap.
Your friends are hurt.
Yes, probably by them.
Get back.
They can't be trusted. You still have a gun.
I don't want any trouble.
No.
We'll come.
No.
But I insist that afterwards you take us to whoever's in charge.
What are you doing?
Be quiet.
Being
I'm
retarded.
handling this.
No!
You're a dick.
No!
Please.
Get off!
Just go along with them, Laura. Do whatever they say.
That's mine.
Дай меня пистолет. Иди.
Oh, and it is always Russians. Can't have us killing Americans.
Silence!
Laura.
If they give you any trouble, kill them.
Don't hurt them,
I
please!
said, silence, girl. А ты ведь хорошенькая.
Can't understand you.
Напоминаешь мою сестру. Run them up! Run them up! Don't you fucking move. Kill them all!
Who do you think I am, a dog? I'm not just gonna sit and stay because you said so.